It's Chevelle time, folks. We have a 1969 Chevelle Malibu as a built 400 small block, putting out about 400 horsepower, vintage air, power steering, power disc brakes, 355 posi, 4-speed. Got lots of good stuff going for it. And just finished the restoration. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can look at all the pictures top to bottom. You can read all the information about the car. And you'll find a price tag along with a monthly finance option on every car that we have for sale. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoy the videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you'll be notified when the new ones are posted. For right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. The floors looked really impressive to me. The floors, the braces, and they look original, and they're dry as a chalkboard. So really nice, clean metal. The front end's been entirely rebuilt, all of it. Ball joints, bushings, steering components. It's also upgraded with some fat tubular upper and lower control arms and a fatter sway bar. The rear suspension's been rebuilt. There's polyurethane bushings in the control arms. Shocks have been replaced. Springs have probably been replaced. It's always hard to tell by looking at them. The fuel system's been replaced. The tank is new and the sending unit and the straps. It's got a custom pipes exhaust system, 2.5-inch zinc coated stainless steel mufflers with the X pipe, and it's got the SS cowbell tips coming out the back. Brake system's been redone, disc in front, drum in back, e-brake assemblies hooked up. I think the cables are new. You look up at the motor, it's all fresh looking, has a high torque starter. It's an M21 Muncie 4-speed. It's been rebuilt, and like everything about it's new. All the linkage looks brand new. In back, like I said before, it has a 355 posi gear in there. So everything under the bottom of the car has been redone, and it's got good, clean floors. Now let's talk about the body. They did put an SS hood on here for a little style. You got the raised humps on each side with the chrome grills. Lines up nice and square. It's all straight, looks to be in really nice shape, no issues, all looks really good. Now if you notice this trim coming down here, we have the trim coming. I should have probably waited for the video to do that, but I want to keep them rolling here. But that trim will be professionally installed as soon as we get it. Nice clean fender, no emblems. The door is nice and clean, smooth down here, no bubbles, no rust, no damage. Shuts real nicely. It's all nice and clean. This is all nice and clean and straight. Now the factory seam is right here. There's a little texture in the paint right here, and that's because of that seam. But the quarter panel's real straight. There's a nick in the paint right here. It's clean at the bottom. This is all clean and square and straight. All real nice. All real nice all along the bottom. Clean around the wheel well. Yeah, the doors line up real nice. It's all smooth, no rust, no damage. Yeah, the body looks to be in really nice shape. And you got a similar thing going on this side. There's some texture in the paint right across here. Glacier Blue, all one color. The metal flake is laid out evenly. The clear coat is polished very smooth and glossy. So it has a sharp looking paint job on here. The window seals and weather strips are replaced. Door handles and mirrors are new. Looks like all the stainless trim is new. The windshield's crystal clear. That's new. The marker lights, emblems. Looks like the grille, the bumper. Looks like all that's been replaced. This trim is replaced. Has the SS wheels. They are 15-inch. They look like they're probably new reproduction, all shiny trim. BF Goodrich tires. We actually bought this from a guy, got it out of his storage unit with some boxes of trim and parts. So the car's a fresh restoration. He didn't even use it since it's been done. We finished the car. Here's two chips right here, a little one and one that's a little bit bigger. The rear window looks to be new as well. It's crystal clear glass. It says Malibu, marker lights, tail lights, trim, all that's new and shiny. So why don't we open it up, show you what's inside. All right, let's see what the trunk compartment looks like. Well, under the trunk lid, look how smooth and glossy it is. Same thing with the jamb, and the weather strip looks new. Trunk compartment's nice clean metal. It's been spatter painted. We got a mat, we got a tire cover over the spare. I can see a jack assembly and it's shiny, so probably a reproduction jack under there. So, as I say, it's clean and complete. So nice clean door jambs, painted nice. Weather strips are installed nicely. Sill plates are new. Door panels are completely reupholstered. The armrests, the window cranks, handles, that's all new. This whole instrument panel, the vents, all this is new. Has the SS gauges in here, the tachometer and gauges. New vents, vintage air controls. It's electric, so you don't have to push those old rusty cables. Retro stereo unit, new dash pad. There is no glove box liner because of the AC unit that's stuffed up behind there. Interior lights work, carpet's fresh. We are still mounting this shifter bezel. That'll be done as well. This is all new. It's got a matching, color matched deluxe steering wheel. The seats are reupholstered and the cushion feels real good. It is missing the cover on each side. It's not an expensive piece. So the back seats are upholstered, seat belts are new. The side panels, the rear shelf, all that's in great shape. Headliner's new, tight as a drum. New dome light, new mirror, new visors. So really a very nice interior. So it is a 400 small block engine. This car's fresh, less than 30 miles on it since it's been redone and rebuilt. It is an aluminum intake that's been painted. It's got a polished dual feed Holley carb with electric choke, a billet distributor with HEI ignition, and the wires are run neatly. It's got a set of headers down there. And I like the finned valve covers and air cleaner combo. Looks nice. Got a new alternator. We got a Champion aluminum radiator. Everything up here looks new. The bolts, the horns, the shroud. All this is nice and clean. The pulleys are clean. It is a vintage air system, so the heat and air, all new. It's got power steering down there. Power brake system's new. Wiper motor's new. Squirters are hooked up. Bottom of the hood's painted real nice. Has hood insulation. So it's actually a very nice motor compartment. So it looks like a nice clean car, and you got a performance motor, a big block, 4-speed, posi, air. It's got a lot of good things going for it. Pretty color. We will update some pictures on the website as soon as the trim's installed. If you go ahead and buy the car, obviously that will get done ASAP. Go to volocars.com. That's where the salesman can help answer your question. They can help get this delivered to your door. They can help you finance it at volocars.com. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe, click on the bell icon. You'll be notified when the new ones are posted. Thanks for watching.